Alright, come and check out cabin 11640 on Carnival Adventure.
We booked a standard balcony cabin located port side on deck 11. Plenty of storage space off to the right as you first enter the room. You can store your suitcases here, you can put your bags up on the top shelf. You'll also find your life jackets up on the shelf as well, and plenty of hangers to hang up your clothes. To the side of the storage area, you'll find some drawers where you can store more items or your clothing throughout your trip. This is where you'll also find your safe.
So right next to where you'd put your clothes and storage, you'll find the bathroom. So of course the bathroom will be small, it's on a cruise ship, but it's functional and will do the job.
The bathroom sort of has everything you need: towels, floor mat, hand washers, face washers. There is some shelving for storage of your personal items and quite a large mirror. The shower really only fits one person at a time.
Mind the shower curtain though, it's a bit huggy.
As you come out into the main area of the cabin, you see this nice large king bed. The overall size of the cabin is pretty decent. The layout allows for ease of movement around the cabin. There's a nice large mirror above the bed head, which helps make the room look bigger than it is.
Just be careful though, if you get too close to that mirror, it might just remind you how much fun you had last night.
Next to the bed there are a couple of Australian PowerPoints, a desk with all of your handy information from your house stewards, plenty of drawers next to the bed for storage, and a sitting chair where you've also got your pool towels for the pool. Over the other side, you have a storage area for snacks and bottles of water. Directly above that is your TV, and directly below that is your cooler.
So the fridge. Is it a fridge? Well, technically no, it's a cooler, but it actually keeps your things quite cool. It's really good, worked well for us.
All right, let's do the bed test. Now, Royal Caribbean's bed was good, but it was hard. Let's see how you go on this one.
Like a bloody water bed.
3, 2, 1.
It's really soft. I wonder what the pillows are like. Oh, just after that touch there, I'm worried. Okay, let's have a look. Yep, incredibly soft. Just too soft, Carnival, unfortunately. A lot of people like a soft bed, fair enough. To each their own, but that's still rising back up, so that's crazy soft.
Of course, the best part of our room would have to be the balcony. We always recommend booking a balcony cabin when you can. Having that little bit of extra space and also access to fresh air is really handy. The balcony was a reasonable sized space. It comes with 2 chairs and a little table to pop your drinks and snacks on. We always love to come and sit out on the balcony and just watch the waves roll by as we sail on.
Now, some people only spend a very short amount of time in their cabin, and an internal cabin might work just fine. But if you spend a little more time in your cabin getting ready in the morning, or you want a bit of fresh air for the evening, a balcony cabin is the way to go.
Thank you so much for watching our tour of cabin 11640 on Carnival Adventure.
We really hope you enjoyed our video and got some great information out of it.
Please remember to like and subscribe.
Yeah, it really makes a massive difference for our channel.
And as always, keep on cruising.